morning to one and all present here. I, Surya and Rachita, take immense pleasure to welcome you all for the Graduation Day 2020. Au revoir. All know that it is our tradition to start any ceremony with an invocation song. Here comes Sadhana to present the invocation song.
विनायका विनायका विघ्न विनाशक विनायका शम्भु कुमार विनायका शंकरि पुत्र विनायका.
Come, let us not condemn the dark, and to illuminate. With this small note, let's join lighting the lamp program.
Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Now let's advance to the candle lighting ceremony. Let us wish that the light of education takes over the darkness of differences, injustice and violence in the world, and that it guides us towards progress and success as scholars. Hope this candle lighting ceremony illuminated your minds.
Oath taking is an important part of the Graduation Day celebration. It is a request to all grade 10 students to participate in the oath taking ceremony, which will be led by our director, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev students, let us take the Graduation Day oath together. You can repeat after me once I have spoken out. We, the students of ACS MMPS,
We the students of
ACS MMPS
shall uphold the social order
uphold the social order
and well-being of our fellow members
and
and shall devote all our energy to promote the unity and integrity and the secular ideal of our country. We pledge to explore and take into account social and environmental consequences of any work we undertake and will consider and will try to improve it further we shall in thought word and deed ever endeavor to be honest in the discharge of our duties in our profession and shall uphold the moral principles
The moral principles.
Nobility,
Nobility.
and honor
And other.
of our country, profession, and sport.
Profession and sport.
Country.
Thank you very much, children.
Thank you, ma'am, for leading us in the oath-taking ceremony. Now, Director ma'am will address the grade 10 students.
A very good
Actually speaking, I have never dreamt of addressing the students during graduation ceremony.
In fact, never thought of having the ceremony virtually. But here I am with you virtually having it. So life is full of surprises and curves. During pandemic, I felt education was one of the worst affected sector. If you look up the data, almost 1 billion of students across the world were left without classrooms by closing of schools in the first quarter of 2020. But I am very proud to say that my staff, teachers, coordinators, and especially you dear students adapted really fast to new changes, new normal of teaching and learning. And at this junction, I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart each and every parent who with their kind words keep both the teachers and the students motivated. It's been an honor and a privilege being part of your journey. Thank you, children. I'm sure you will do very well in the upcoming board exams. You are all prepared, have written multiple assessments. Remember, all your teachers, coordinators are available there if you seek any clarification at any given time. I, on behalf of my management, teachers, coordinators, and student body, wish you best for upcoming exam. I would end here by saying, future is yours, it belongs to you, because you Magnolians dare to believe in the beauty of your dreams. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Thank you very much. God bless you.
This graduation day is special for yet another reason. It is the first time ever that we have our parents amongst us for the graduation celebration. May I take the privilege to request parent of Abhay P. Raj, grade 10A, to please share a few words about their journey with ACS MLP.
A big applause for all the teachers and students who have overcome this pandemic. All the best for all the students for the upcoming board exams. My special thanks to all the teachers and the management. Thank you all once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now I call upon parent of Amulya, grade 10B.
Namaste everyone. I am mother of Amulya Kehet, studying in class 10B. I am here to express my extreme happiness on behalf of my husband too. This is her 13th year of schooling in AACS Magnolia, and probably I feel she's the oldest student of the school right now, with other few children. Right from her pre-KG to 10th standard, and we are extremely happy with the school. We never felt for a change in school, though my husband had to work in some other station, in some other city, but we never had a thought of changing the school. So we were extremely happy, and my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Seema Goel ma'am for her excellent administration, and she always gives extreme care to all the children, which we have witnessed. Thank you, ma'am. And teachers are highly efficient in this school, and all the teachers have put in their best effort to bring up the children. Your guidance, motivation are always will always be remembered, teachers. And not to forget, the standard of question paper in this school is too high. I mean, this is the best school for setting the thought provoking questions. I am sure most of the parents, and mostly all of the parents, are with me when I say this. You people set the best question paper ever, and you really inculcate that thought provoking nature in students, and hats off to you all. Be it academics or the co-curricular, there was a perfect blend of everything. There was a really perfect blend of everything, and a really special thanks for handling schooling this year, even during this pandemic situation. We are deeply we deeply express our gratitude for all of these. Okay, and then really to say from the bottom of our heart, special thanks to all of you. Amulya, as a student, and we as parents, we had a wonderful, unforgettable journey with ACS Magnolia Maruti Public School. I wish all the students, all the teachers, and school also the very best in the future endeavors and the exams, upcoming exams. Thank you all so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I now call upon parent of Damodara of grade 10B. Please share a few words. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Firstly, I would like to thank everyone present here. Each teacher, especially Sri Devi ma'am, Jayashri ma'am, Nimisha ma'am, Kotresh sir, Vignesh sir, Shravani ma'am, Binu ma'am, Nisha ma'am, Soumya ma'am, Rekha ma'am, and a very supportive principal, Seema Goel ma'am. Thanks to all the teachers and their families as well. You have helped shape the children they are today. And in all my confidence, I would say that it wouldn't have been possible with all your support. Damodara was in this school from grade 3, and he has made so many memories down the lane. And I would like to congratulate the team Magnolia. Your efforts have been so consistent. Ever since the pandemic hit us, we had very tough times. What pinched me the most was, God, how this fellow will manage his 10th standard. So many challenges in both mentally, physically, everything. But school and teachers have immediately come up with a plan, and I can imagine how hard you all must have worked to make it all possible. Teachers managing your own homes, your children and our children too. Thanks, ma'am. Thank you so much, each one of you. I was wondering, just to correct the hard copies itself is so stressful. I don't know how you all managed to correct their soft copies, and you have given the results immediately also, and the conducted parents meeting. You've made everything possible. In fact, it's just that the children could not attend physically. Hats off to all of you. And teaching children physically at school was so easy actually, but then to teach to the laptop and to make them understand, it's such a difficult job, ma'am. Very difficult. You all have nailed it so well again. And you have given us, the parents, a ray of hope and confidence and enthusiasm to face all this boldly. Thank you so much for that too. In fact, Team Magnolia has done an incredible job compared to many other schools in the neighborhood, where other schools are still coming up with their portions, final portions. They are conducting special classes and doing it now. But we parents are here with all the report cards also ready for other standards too. So, and I don't know how to really thank you, ma'am. Thank you all so much for all your efforts, ma'am. Thank you. And children, I'm counting on each one of you, and you're going to conquer your life, and in a very own fantastic way. Make us, your parents, teachers, and your school, your principal, ma'am, everyone proud. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I thought it would be very easy to just say thank you and for sharing your time. But now hearing your words of appreciation and motivating words, I'm truly overwhelmed, and I'm not able to find words to thank you. I'm sure all my fellow members, our team of Magnolia, also feel the same way. I once again thank you all for taking your time And I'm sure your words of appreciation and motivation will keep us strong and move forward. Thank you so much, each one of you, and all the parents who are present here. Thank you so much.
Now I would like to invite our teachers to share their unusual memories of Virtual Class 2021 batch.
जय गुरुदेव, माननीय डायरेक्टर मैम, कोऑर्डिनेटर्स, शिक्षक साथियों और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आभारी हूँ कि आज ग्रेजुएशन डे के अवसर पर मुझे कुछ शब्द कहने का अवसर मिला। नए रास्ते खोजने को, कुछ नया कर दिखाने को, मंजिल को बनाने को अपना थोड़े से नादान, थोड़े से समझदार परिंदे उड़ चले हैं। बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप? एग्जाम पास आ रहे हैं? टेंशन? इस मुश्किल घड़ी में भी आप धैर्य और साहस के साथ मजबूती से खड़े रहे। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thoroughly enjoyed all my sessions, offline, online, or meeting them in the corridors everywhere to the fullest, and they left lots of memories. But wherever they will be, they are proud Magnolians, proud students of ours, and we love you very much. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
I hope you all will do a great in future and would like to congratulate all of you and wish you all a wonderful success ahead. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Appreciations and comments. Now, I invite a few great tech students to express their experiences.
2020, the biggest change for us, the 10th graders, has been going from being the performer to the audience themselves as we sit here together on our graduation day. That's just how fast the night changes. Most of you know who I am, but to those of you who don't, I'm Neha Priyan of Class 10C. The past year has not been in our favor. All the shrieking and laughter in class after someone scares another, or the joys of getting a free period when we get a joke around and have a little fun.
Jai Gurudev. I am Nibha from Class 10B, and I would like to talk about my experience in AECS Magnolia Maruti Public School. I had the opportunity of studying here for just 2 years, but my friends never let me feel lonely and always included me in the class fun and laughter. The teachers of our school are excellent.
But the teachers ensured that there was absolutely no loss in the transfer of knowledge. Their classes were real fun and very interactive. So thank you once again, teachers, for facilitating our knowledge this year. And speaking of changes, I'd like to conclude with this thought. With the change of times comes a change of mindsets, and herein lies progress. Thank you.
Tell all my fellow graduates, every day is Teachers' Day, and this year, teachers have really worked hard for us, correcting assignments till late midnights. We are sorry for those sleepless nights, and I hope our teachers will hear good things from us in the near future. I am a proud Magnolian, and thank you to everyone present here. And all the credit of this year goes to our respected teachers, coordinators, and to our very much supportive director Seema ma'am and the management for the smooth and productive conduct of this academic year. And on this note, I would like to conclude my speech by conveying a heartfelt thanks to all the teachers and friends for making my 7 years journey in this school a very triumphant one. Thank you.
Today might be last day for some of us as the students of our school, but every end has a new beginning. After some years, we all will look back and remember these days where we all together used to have fun in the PE periods, lunch breaks in canteens and more.
I request Nimisha ma'am and Paromita ma'am to honor the graduating students with a few words of felicitation.
Let's have a look on our mind-blowing graduates. Cheerful and humble, A. Cherry Gold. Kempt and efficient, A. Keshav Kumar. Calm and composed, AVM Sominath. Self-driven, and graceful, Aryan Saju. Admirable and responsible, Abhay P. Raj. Aspiring and motivated, Achyut Srinath Harisamudram. Self-driven and cheerful, Akash Vinayak Gaonkar. Affectionate and humble, Akhil G. Adorable and sincere, Amulya KH. Aesthetical and respectful, Anagha A. Kashyap. Responsible and attentive, Ananya R. Haritsa. Adorable and respectful, Anivrat Jain. Sincere and hardworking, Anjali H. Ramurs. Agile and efficient, Arvind Bhatt Pataje. Awesome and cheerful, Arshad P. Calm and composed, Arun Jaijeev. Ambitious and determined, Arush Rastogi. Humble and honest, Ashita S. Attentive and passionate, Avik Palit. Motivated and self-assertive, B. Nishant Namashivayam. Hardworking and uncompromising, B. Sai Shivardhan. Blissful and aesthetical, B.K. Khushi. Delightful and humble, Daniel Khalik. Determinate and passionate, Dakshita Tai. Cheerful and pleasant, Damodara Teddy. Down to earth and well behaved, Danyata V. Respectful and admirable, Disha Amit Pandit. Diligent and striving, Divjot Singh Kam. Pleasant and sincere, Fatima Irfan Patel. Graceful and well behaved, Gauri Harshe. Ambitious and determinate, Gururaj Patil. Harmonious and blissful, Hana Priyadarshini. Aesthetical and pleasant, Harsheen Kaur. Humble and honest, Harshita D. Well behaved and radiant, Harshita Jain. Striving and self-motivated, Harshit Kundarapu. Aesthetical and humble, Harshita Ramisetti. Uncompromising and motivated, Jishnu Gundu. Modest and down-to-earth, Kashvi Soni. Courteous and admirable, Kevin Gilbert. Kinetic and passionate, Kushagra Dayal. Striving and self-motivated, Kushal M. Modest and down-to-earth, Madhumita V. Humble and honest, Mahir Ahmed. Realistic and energetic, Manit Goel. Mindful and graceful, Manya M. Amar. Sincere and admirable, Medini Bhatt. Cheerful and magnificent, Megha A. Ahuja. Determined and uncompromising, Megha M. Hegde. Simplistic and honest, Mohammad Safwan. Calm and composed, Mohit K.
Passionate and motivated, Neha Priyan. Soulful and graceful, Niva Deepak Rao. Motivated and self-assertive, Nivedita M. Sincere and simplistic, Pavitra A. Passionate and realistic, Pradyun Krishnan. Courteous and admirable, Pragna Ravi. Delightful and responsible, Prajwal G. Graceful and radiant, Pranati R. Naren. Passionate and energetic, Pranav Bharti. Sincere and thoughtful, Prathana Rao. Courteous and honest, Prithviraj Dinesh. Simplistic and cheerful, Pujita Reddy K. Realistic and hardworking, R. Sanjay. Energetic and efficient, Raja Nithala Netran. Soulful and thoughtful, Rida Zafar. Uncompromising and determined, Rudraksh Mathur. Honest and self-motivated, S. Harshita Varsha. Humble and truthful, S.S. Vijay Kumar. Sincere and diligent, S. Shuchir. Simplistic and caring, S.S. Sandhya. Striving and capable, Sadvika Arnapur Reddy. Motivated and strategic, Saket Mittal. Simplistic and balanced, Samir Kulkarni. Self-assertive and hardworking, Samyukta S. Passionate and responsible, Sanchali Gupta. Courteous and committed, Sarisha P. Aspiring and confident, Sarthak Chakravarti. Soulful and friendly, Satvik Reddy Pedi Reddy. Humble and truthful, Shivanand Patil. Versatile and graceful, Shreya A.S. Kempt and efficient, Shreya Kandari. Self-driven and assertive, Shreyansh Jain. Splendid and talented, Shirish Rahul Hukkeri. Cheerful and caring, Sonal Sushil. Courteous and thoughtful, Sriya Durga Chemudupatti. Calm and composed, Srujan A. Gilanchi. Graceful and truthful, Subiksha S.H. Motivated and strategic, Swastik Samal. Ambitious and striving, T. Krishna Satvik Reddy. Truthful and cheerful, Tanisha Mathur. Thoughtful and delightful, Tanmay Mandar Bodas. Responsible and attentive, V.T. Madhumita. Ambitious and striving, V.R. Nitin. Graceful and pleasant, Varsha Baliappan. Ambitious and motivated, Veer Banerjee. Admirable and responsible, Vinit Anil Sharma. Passionate and ambitious, Vishwesh K. Srivatsav. Simplistic and humble, Vivek R. Truthful and cheerful, Y. Ashrita Sai. Responsible and attentive, Yamini Pujar. Thank you and best wishes for your board exam, children. Thank you.
Let's move to the cultural session. The cultural program commences reflections of academic year 2019-20 and 2020-21. Over to Rekha ma'am. Thank you, Ekta, for the best of the time. We will take the 90.
There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever, it would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December. Somebody say your name, but I can't reach out and call you. But I know I'll do someday. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Yeah. Everything will be alright. Don't read the glass and say, hey, here's to the ones that we know. Toast to the ones that we lost in the lake, 'cause the dreams bring back all the memories, bring back you. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever. Everything will stay the same. Now my heart feel like December. Somebody say your name, but I can't reach out and call you. But I know I'll do someday. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Everything will be alright. Don't read the past and say, hey, here's to the ones that we come. Goes to the ones who we wish were here, 'cause the things bring back all the memories. Everything we've been through. Here's to the ones that then. Goes to the ones who we lost in our way, 'cause the dreams bring back all the memories. Memories bring back you. Thank you.
Thank you, Subha. That was a melodious performance.
Let's proceed to watch a dance from Dakshina PB of 9th B.
Thank you.
Thank you for the wonderful dance, Dakshina.
Now, we have an amazing performance by Asha Purohit from 9D. Thank you, Rishi. It was indeed a great performance.
Samyukta from 9D will present a solo song.
Jai Gurudev, I'm Samyukta of class 9D and I'll be singing a mashup for you to sing along. You were the shadow to my light, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away, afraid our aim is at the sight, now I'm feeling alive. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back, horse sack is attached. Hat is matte black, got the boots and back to mine. Riding on a horse, looking like a Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been about that Porsche. Now can nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. The child, you would wait and watch from far away. But you always knew you would be the one that walked while they all play. And you would lay awake at night and scheme. But you always knew you would be the one, but it was just a dream. Here we are, don't turn away now. We are the warriors who built this town. Here we are, don't about you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Thank you, Samyukta. That was so beautiful.
Now, we hand over the stage for a skit performance performed by Sneha Gayatri, Bhavya Sai, Navyashri, Siddhant, Danushka, and Chaitanya.
Jai Gurudev and good morning to one all present here. I am Sneha and my friends Bhavya, Navya, Siddhant, Chaitanya and Dhanushka are here to perform a skit on the topic Struggles of a Teacher During Online Classes.
Okay, so good morning students. We are going to start a new chapter and that's money and credit. So tell me what is credit? Anyone? Ma'am, can I answer?
Ma'am, I didn't understand how money is used as a medium of exchange.
Yeah. Ma'am, can I answer? This is Danushka. Yeah, Danushka, wait. Can I get this answer from Navyashri? Navya?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Hello. Ma'am, I think I have
I'll
met
get
you.
back to you. Okay. Ma'am, can I answer? This is Danushka. Please wait, Danushka, please. After everyone's turn. Chaitanya? Can I get this answer from Chaitanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please give the answer.
Credit is a trust which allows one party to provide money or resources to another party wherein the second party doesn't reimburse the first party immediately,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Continue, Chaitanya.
but promises either to repay or return those resources at a later date. HTTPS Wikipedia. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
You're reading it from the internet.
No, ma'am.
Next time, if you don't know, I'm going to take a serious action against this. Okay. Yes. So moving into the chapter, credit is basically. Who's the person who has unmuted his mic? Siddhant? Sneha? Dhanushka? Anyone?
No, ma'am, not me.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. My mic was unmuted.
Siddhant, what are you doing? My dear friend, if you don't listen now, you'll regret it in your future. Unmute your mic. What is this person doing? He left the meeting.
Ma'am, I had a doubt. Can you tell me if there are any homeworks for the holidays?
I'll tell you in the end. Okay, so moving on. And by the way, can you people see the screen, right? You're able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Can I get the third answer from Siddhant? Siddhant? Please unmute your mic. Beta, mic ko unmute karo. Mom, actually Siddhant texted me saying that his mic is not working. I didn't.
I just don't want to answer. Why does ma'am always ask me? Why can't she ask anyone else? She only asks me. Why can't she ask Dhanushka or Sneha?
I'll give you the answer. While listening to music or complaining, your mic is working perfectly without any problem. And when you're supposed to answer a question, you have net issue. Huh?
Sorry, ma'am.
So, what type of a misbehavior is this? You're distracted, but you're distracting the whole class also. And I feel this your behavior is just going out of hands. And I want to meet your parents right after the class. I'll report it to the class coordinator also. Yes, yesterday's homework. So open your notebooks. We'll discuss yesterday's homework. So let's see who can answer this question.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I? Yeah, one second. Wait. Raise your hands, please. Okay, so Tanushka has raised her hand. Fine. Yes, Tanushka?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tanushka? Tanushka, I'm waiting. No need. No. There's a lot of background noise, please. Okay, and Navya, is your mic working now? Navya?
Yeah, ma'am.
And by the way, on your video, please. I want to see everyone's faces.
Oh no.
What, you're sleeping, Navya?
No. Yeah, ma'am. Like I was studying last night, so
Or do you think I'm a fool to believe that? That you're studying
No.
that too?
No, ma'am. I was actually studying last night.
Okay,
No.
is that really? Then answer
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
first question, please. Fast.
Ma'am, I wrote the homework, but I wrote it in my rough book. Like I didn't write it in my notebook.
Okay, fine. Read it from the rough book.
Oh, ma'am, I would, but like I left my notebook in my aunt's place. So,
Irresponsible. Why are you so irresponsible? You're in 10th grade and not in 1st. And if you continue to be like this, I think nothing is gonna happen.
yeah, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Haha, guys, guess what? I removed ma'am from the meeting.
Haha, good job.
Guys, please be quiet. Ma'am will join in a couple of minutes.
Who removed me from the meeting? Who removed me? Do people come here to play or to study? Anyways, the meeting is being recorded, so of course I'll know who removed. So, any doubts?
Ma'am, I had a doubt. In the second homework question, should we answer it in paragraph or points?
Social answer should always be answered in points. Okay, just remember that. Fine. Yes, is Chaitanya there in the meeting? Chaitanya? Chaitanya?
Yes, ma'am.
So, have you done your homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why didn't you upload it? No?
Ma'am, I uploaded it.
No, 1 second. No, you didn't upload. I'm able to see just a blank screen, and that is return that you have just viewed the assignment but not turned.
Ma'am, I uploaded it half an hour late, so that might be the reason.
No, I have not kept any closing date.
Ma'am, that might be your internet connection issues.
Perfect. And now you tell me, how can I give you internet marks based on this?
Ma'am, should I WhatsApp you?
No WhatsApp. Correcting through WhatsApp is very tough. Okay, so now I think the time is up. Yes, the time is up. So please leave. Okay, so everyone have left, right? Why is still in the meeting?
I
Sneha,
can listen to
answer.
music peacefully.
Then you have joined the meeting again. Next time you see. Now leave.
Ma'am, actually I had a doubt.
Yeah.
Can you explain me formal sources of credit?
Yeah, so the formal sources of credit are the credits which are taken from the banks and even from the cooperatives. They are like the official. Okay, now the time's up. I'll explain you next class. Any doubts? Any other?
Ma'am, can I ask you a general question? It's not related to the topic. Don't you feel annoyed by the people's behavior and are not able to take the class properly?
See, everyone gets annoyed at one point of time. Right? Everyone. So now children are like my kids, and I always prefer the best for you, right? Online classes will of course have good advantages, but it is dependent on you how you take them. Right, Pama? If you leave the school also, I'll always hope the best for you. Right? And I hope you have a best.
Thank you, ma'am, for taking up so many efforts even to teach us even during this pandemic.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and sorry for my misbehavior.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine. Thank you.
It was a hilarious performance. I hope all the teachers and students could relate to it.
Next up, T. Sadhana will deliver a speech.
As Aristotle quotes, the roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. A very warm good morning to the respected teachers, seniors, and my dear friends. As we all know that today we are gathered here to give farewell to our seniors, and it's my pleasure that I am here to say thanks and wish to the seniors on behalf of my class. Having brilliant seniors is always a motivating factor. Probably 2021 graduating batch is the only batch who will be missing out on real life farewell parties. But they have left no stone unturned and have put all the effort to make this day memorable one for you, even though it is remote and online. The batch of 2021 will go on the history of our school as the most versatile batch to ever graduate. During this tenure, we laughed, got happy, also sometimes sad. But what we are today, all are the efforts of our worthy teachers and management. Let us all look forward to our future and bring laurels to our school, who has given us so much knowledge and helped us build our personality. Today, when we see our seniors leaving the school to step ahead, we feel thrilled and excited. But let me make it clear that they have successfully transferred the entire responsibility upon our shoulders. We feel quite honored to inherit the wonderful legacy left by our seniors. Dear friends and honorable all, it is just the process of life. We all had to pass through it. Nothing is to stay anywhere for entire life. Let me remind you again, nothing is to stay. Everything changes and nothing is to stay always. Therefore, the only thing that can do is leave good memories, kind acts, and love everywhere. Let's spread the love, kindness, happiness, and wonderful memories. Let us all promise that farewell day is not the last day that we are going to see each other. Let us promise that we are going to stay in touch with each other. I feel honored to be congratulate you, the seniors, for the wonderful career and endless opportunities ahead. I wish you the sure success, happiness in life, and bright future ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Sadhana. It was good indeed.
up, we have a group dance performance performed by Padmini Shreya. Thank you, friends. It was a joyful performance.
Let's move to the next program. Solo song by Miduna P. from 9th C.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that is waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we have lost our minds. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we decide. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see,
Thanks for the wonderful tune, Miduna.
Here comes the riddle wizard, Harsh Gupta from 9C.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are doing good. So I'll be conducting a quiz competition, like a fun Q&A with you guys. So before we start, let me read out a few rules to keep in mind. So the first one is, you have certain time limit for every question that I ask. Second one, the tongue twisters. So there are tongue twisters, so be ready for that. Must be completed in 10 seconds and 8 seconds, and it should be repeated 5 times. Next one, the person to reply the correct answer gets the winning title. The last one, the quiz and the riddle program is only for the 10th graders of 2021. So please, 9th graders, please don't raise your hands. Okay, let's get started. We'll begin with easy ones. So the first one is the general question. The person who answers okay, the person who answers this correct gets the title as Minecraft.
Tell M, please mute your mic.
Harsh, unmute your mic, beta.
Sure, ma'am. Okay. Now let's begin with easy ones. So the first one, which composition of chemicals in our body can dissolve stainless steel? I'll repeat it. Which composition of chemicals in our body can dissolve stainless steel? You can either name the composition of chemicals or even the chemical. Just the chemical. Ma'am, do we have any hands raised?
No, beta. Still we don't have the hand raised. Please quickly, children.
It's an easy one.
Yeah, you can do it.
In 10th.
Yes, I found one. Harshita Jain. Yes, please unmute your mic, beta, and tell the answer.
Ma'am, is it HCl acid and nitric acid?
Can you repeat it, please?
HCl, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid.
Yes, correct.
Yes, correct. Fine.
Next one.
Harsh, you can just repeat the answer for the others also to get it clearly.
Sure, ma'am. So the answer is stomach acid or gastric acid. The composition of it is HCl, hydrochloric acid, KCl, sodium chloride, and rather KCl and NaCl. So shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, go ahead, beta.
Okay. The second one, easy one. Which planet completes one whole rotation in just 10 hours? There's a planet in the solar system which completes one whole rotation in just 10 hours.
Yes, beta. We got the one participant.
Pearl, you're from 9th. Please don't raise your hand.
Please, Pearl, lower your hand. Bacha, it is for the seniors only. It's not for the others. Okay, we got again Nitin. This time the Nitin VR is there to give the response. Yes, Nitin beta.
Answer is Jupiter.
Yes, it was an easy one. So yeah, the correct answer is
yes, correct. Very well done.
Okay, the two of you who answered these two questions gets the title as Mr. and Miss Minecraft. Let's move on to the fun riddles. I'm excited for this one. First question, easy ones. A man in a car can see 3 doors. One is the bronze door, the second is the silver door, and the third is the golden door. Which door should he open first?
Yes, we got the person, Kushagra, please tell me the answer. Tell us the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Ah, yes, sure.
In the car door.
Very good. So
Okay.
many students are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, be quick, children.
Okay, that was the right answer. Good. Okay, the next one. Big as a biscuit, deep as a cup, even a river can't fill it up. Let me repeat it. Big as a biscuit, deep as a cup, even a river can't fill it up. What is it? No one? Okay, I'll give you some.
Still I didn't find anyone. Yes, children? Anyone? Yes, we got. Shreya AS. Yes, Picha.
Trainer.
Yes, that's right.
Yes, very good.
So the answer is a kitchen strainer. The next one. What do you throw out when you want to use it, but take in when you don't want to use it? What do you throw out when you want to use it, but take it in when you don't want to use it?
Yes, Akhil.
Cover.
Yes, beta. Can you be a little louder?
Cover.
No, it's wrong. Yes. Disha, next contestant.
Is it an anchor? The
Very
ship's
good.
anchor.
Very good.
Yeah. The correct answer is an anchor. Okay, well done. Next one, easy one again. If you have it, you want to share it. If you share it, you don't have it. Let me repeat it. If you have it, you want to share it. And if you share it, you don't have it. What is it?
Yes, Vineet.
Ma'am, secret.
Very good.
Easy one. Okay. Next one. I have holes on the top, bottom, left, right, and even in the middle. Yet I can still hold water. What am I?
Yes, Arshad. You got so many students here to answer your question.
Ma'am,
Harsh?
spoons.
Yes,
Ma'am.
beta.
Ma'am, sponge, ma'am.
Spoons.
Sponge.
Sponge.
Yes.
Okay, sponge.
Sponge, yeah.
Okay, fine. Yes, correct.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Okay, good. Next one. The bigger I become, the less you see me. The bigger I become, the less you see me. Who am I?
Again, Shreya AS. Tell me.
Darkness.
Very good.
Okay, good. Next one. What is always on the ground or the floor, but never ever gets dirty? What is always on the ground or the floor, but never gets dirty?
Yes, again, Shreya AS.
Okay.
Shreya. Okay, Akhil.
The floor.
No, bacha.
Can
Arush.
you repeat the question again once more?
Shadow.
Okay. Let me repeat it as well. Don't worry.
As we will repeat.
No, I think we got the answer from Arush.
Shadow. You got the right answer.
Okay.
Arush, can you repeat?
Repeat the answer.
From shadow.
Yes.
Very good. Great. Harsh.
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Next one. If a rooster laid a brown egg and a white egg, what kind of chicks would hatch? If a
Yes,
rooster.
Harshita Jain.
Okay.
Again. Again, we got Harshita Jain. Okay.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, I can hear you. Beta.
Rooster doesn't lay eggs.
Oh, very good. Keep it up.
Shall we move on to the next one, ma'am?
Yes. Go ahead, Beta.
Okay, ma'am. So the next one, If you're running in a race and you pass the person in the second place, what place are you in now? Let's imagine. Okay, we got
Arush here again. First.
Second place.
Yes. Yes, Harsh?
yes, ma'am. Did you get the right answer?
Yes. Arush, can you repeat again, bacha? And
Second
little louder.
place. Second place.
Harsh, second place it is, correct?
Yes, ma'am. That's right.
Yes, that's right. Okay, fine. Next.
Okay.
Move ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm excited for this one. In a certain city, 5% of all the persons in the town have unlisted phone numbers. If you select 100 names at a random from the city's phone directory, how many people selected will have unlisted phone numbers? In a certain city, 5% of all the persons in the town have unlisted phone numbers. If you select 100 names at a random from the city's phone directory,
Harsh,
yes, ma'am.
got the
Okay.
answer. Arush again. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. Sorry, by mistake.
Okay, fine. Okay, next is then Sakit.
I'm 0 because the numbers are unlisted.
Hi, very good.
Okay. Yes. Okay. The last one, the fun one. Okay. What was the name of the US president in 1996? Don't search it in the Google for this one.
As it is very quite easy.
Yeah.
Yes, we got Nitin VR.
Yeah. Sure.
Nitin
From
VR.
Donald Trump.
Very good.
No. You're missing one letter. You're missing
No,
one.
you have to complete.
President Donald Trump.
President Donald Trump.
No. We want the full answer. Full name, actually.
Ma'am, Donald J. Trump.
Anirudh, you are in ninth. If I'm not wrong, that was Anirudh. Please.
Yes, Anirudh, please don't. This is for the only. Again, we can see the Shreya AS.
Ma'am,
Shreya
Donald John Trump.
Yeah.
Very good.
Ma'am, Donald Trump.
Yes, Akhil. Very good. But Shreya gave the correct answer before you, so we will consider Shreya as the first answer. Okay? Shreya, can you repeat the answer, Bicha?
Donald John Trump.
Very good. Yes, Harsh, can you move ahead?
Yes, ma'am. So Shreya gets the title as Miss Quiz Grandmaster, and the others gets the title as Riddles Wizard, depending on what gender you're in, Mr. or Miss. Okay. So I'm excited for this one. Tongue twisters. The person who pronounces this one right gets the title as Master of Alliteration. So the first one. Good blood, bad blood. You have to repeat this 5 times.
Good blood, bad blood. Good
Wait,
blood,
wait. Just give me a second. You have 8 seconds. Remember, I told you before. Okay? You have 8 seconds and you have to repeat it 5 times. Okay? 3, 2, 1, start.
Good pet, bad pet. 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 Good pet, bad. Good pet.
Time's up.
Time's up. And sorry, Akhil, it is blood. It is not belt.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay.
Okay.
So it is wrong, bacha. Anybody else want to try? Good try, Akhil. Yes, no one?
Guys, it's easy. Come on.
It's quite easy. Come on. Or here also I have to point out the names. Like online sessions, how we used to conduct the classes.
Yes, ma'am, you can do that. That's better.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children, volunteer yourself. Anybody wants to play? Yes, I can see Anaga. Good. Yes, Anaga, come on.
Good blood, bad blood. Good blood, bad blood. Good blood, bad.
Okay, that's wrong. That's wrong.
Good try. Anyways, next, Nivedita.
Ma'am, I want to confirm one thing. Is it good luck, right?
No, it's good blood. BLOOD and bad blood. BLOOD.
Good blood, bad blood. Good blood, bad blood. Good blood, bad blood.
Okay. Okay, good try.
Ma'am, can I try one spot?
We have Manit waiting. Akhil, let's give chance to others also. Let's couple of students waiting there.
Ma'am, can I say that?
Yes, Manit, go ahead.
Good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood.
I think that was right, ma'am?
Keep it right now. Let's see. Try a couple of other students and then we'll have a next round. Manit, as of now, has through the first round, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Congratulations, Manit. Just wait for some time. Abhay.
Good blood, bad blood. 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 Good blood. That's the whole song. I'm sorry.
I think that was very close. Anyways.
Yes. Yes, Manik, can you try?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am, Manit already spoke, right? It's
Yeah, Manit is done. Pradyul, I saw your hand up. Go ahead, Pradyul.
Yeah, ma'am, can I try?
Yes, sure. Why not?
Yeah. Good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood, good blood, bad blood.
Oh, nice.
Very good. Keep it up. So you are going to get the honor of the Mr. Alliteration. Correct? So
Pranav is from grade 9. Pranav, this is again only for you didn't listen the rules. Any other pen reader?
Ma'am, it was Pratyam.
Akhil, you want to try once? But then we'll have to give chance to all the others, dear. We are not having enough time. Okay, next time you can see. Is that all? Shall we move to the next round?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Manit and Pradyul. Harsh, you can give them the next one.
Sure, ma'am. Next one, easy one. Black, back, bat. The color black, your back, and a bat. You have to repeat that 5 times. Same rules. 8 seconds.
Could you repeat again?
Sure. Black, 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 back, BACK, and BAT, bat.
Shall we start with Manit?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Black, back, bat. Black, back, bat. Black, back, bat. Black, back, bat. Black, back, bat.
Oh, nice.
Yes, Pradyul.
Black back bat, 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 and black back bat.
Harsh, who was the, you can say, winner? Who can be the winner? Who took the less time in saying both the tongue twisters?
Manit was much more clear with that.
Okay.
I
fine.
think, ma'am, I would leave it to you.
No,
For that.
it's yours program, so you
Time?
have to.
Time? What is the time?
What is the time?
I think Pradyum took 7 seconds and 7.51 and Manit was around 6.
Okay, so clearly then we will go with Manit. Okay, Pradyun also very good. You were not disqualified,
Yeah.
but based on the timing, we will
I know.
give the first position to Manit, and of course, I think we can award it to Pradyun also the title. Yes, Harsh,
Yeah,
you
it's
can
fine.
only
I'll give it
give
to
what is the title you want to give.
Yes, ma'am. Both of you, Manit gets the title as Mr. Master of Alliteration, and Pradyum, right? Yeah. Pradyum also gets the title as Master of Alliteration.
All right, good, good try, both of you. Congratulations. Thank you, Harsh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Harsh.
I hope all of you enjoyed. So best of luck for your exams and for your future. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Harsh. It was a really fun performance.
Proceeding to the next program, we have Sanjana and Sinchana with a duet song.
Hey there, 10th grade seniors. We dedicate this song to you to always stay strong like titanium and never give up. You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. You're talking loud, not saying much. You criticize, but all your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Fire away, fire away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Cut me down, but it's you who have further to fall. Ghost town and haunted love. Raise your voice, sticks and stones may break my bones. Talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Fire away, fire away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. I am titanium. I am titanium. Stone heart, machine gun, fire at the ones who run. Stone heart as bulletproof glass. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
Thank you, girls, for the eye-catching performance.
Now, we give the stage to Chaitanya Nitin Ravekar for a stand-up comedy performance.
Hello everyone, Jai Gurudev. You all would already be knowing me as I have done 2 stand-up comedy shows here before. But there is also a chance that you may not know me. Depends on the number of functions you bunked last year. Okay, so introducing myself, I am Chaitanya Ravekar and today I've come up with one more stand-up comedy for all of your graduation day. Okay, so tell me, when you hear the word school, what is the first thought that comes in your mind? Learning, studies, classes. Really? No, it's all about friends and fun and memories, isn't it? We all have different types of friends in school. First, the helpful friends. These friends are always ready to help us, either with notes or playing games or bunking classes or making fun of others. All those names you and your friends gave to your classmates, notes giver is a good friend. The one who asks millions of doubts to the teacher and goes after the teacher everywhere is called the teacher's pet. The one who keeps studying every time and does nothing else is called a nerd. Toppers become a symbol hated by the whole class. All these things are invented uniquely by you and your friends. Then there are some friends who always support us in everything. Any debate or fight or quarrel, they will support us. But then the fun part, when you're caught by any teacher, they will vanish off from there, leaving you alone to get screwed up. Then there are some friends who are like permanent advisors to us. Anything we do, they will keep advising us and keep eating our head. They think we don't have brains, we cannot think. And yes, who doesn't have a friend who insults you every time? Anywhere you go, they will keep troubling you and insulting you in front of others. Then, one unique friend with whom you only fight. Just fight, fight, and fight. Nothing else. There would be no moment between you both when you'll not be fighting. Every 2 minutes you would end up fighting. You might even break each other's bones. Such friends, people say, will always remain enemies of each other. But I would say that these friends are the best friends you would ever get. And yes, a school without students bunking classes is not said to be a school at all. If you are a person bunking classes, then you have extra 2 types of friends. One who would always put the blame of the bunking idea on you when you're caught, and the other who always advises you not to bunk classes and rather attend all classes sincerely. But then he too ends up joining you in every bunk. Next, talking about exams. The worst moment of our life. During exams, one embarrassing moment is when people around you discuss about the points and answers that would come in the exam, and you are totally clueless about all of it. Then you join them too and check all those points and answers. But none of those questions even come in the exam. Then the next thought you have in your mind is to beat those friends after the exam. Then comes that one friend of ours who always tells that he didn't study anything, but on the result day, you see him being the highest scorer of the class. Coming to the main point, do not worry about the boards. All things after the exams are in hands of the God. No, wait, in hands of the examiner. Anyways, if you're tensed one day before the exam, then let me tell you something. That even if you study for the whole year, that one last day before the exam will not make any difference. And even if you don't study for the whole year, still that one last day will not make any difference. So just be calm, be confident, and give your exams. Thank you.
Thank you, Chaitanya. That was an extraordinary piece.
Let us cherish this joyful moment by proceeding to the photo session. These are to be our lifelong memories, so don't forget to give your best smile.